TECNO has shown off in Barcelona, Spain at Mobile World Conference 2024 a number of new concepts that they want to launch. One of them is known as fragrance leather. This is an interesting concept that is being created by combining fragrant microcapsules with the leather production process. The micro-encapsulated fragrant oil essence particular are added to the pure essence of vegan leather, with a proportion adjusted according to the concentration of fragrance. Well, it uses three scents: size, touch, and smell. TECNO says the fragrance can last for over a year under normal usage conditions such as non-exposure to the sun, violent rubbing, and prolonged high temperature. It gives your phone a cool new smell that's different from plain leather. TECNO is also showing off organosilicon fabric leather. This is a synthetic leather with organosilicon coating instead of the normal coating. Typically, it is made out of a custom fabric base coated with silicon polymer. The main advantage is that it is easy to clean, odor-free, and has extremely low VOC. It is also low carbon, making it better for the environment. TECNO has seen how boring leather cases are and wanted to improve them with color blending leather. The company is releasing a color blending leather through technical iterations of leather materials to create fluid art on the leather surface with rich color layers.